Do you want to grow your own food but think you're too late to do it this year? You're wrong! In this video, I'm going to show you things that you can still grow to eat at home, and I've grown them myself, so if I can do them, you definitely can. No excuses, it's really easy. Let's get going. First up is salad leaves, and these will be ready to harvest in 6 to 8 weeks. If you can't wait that long, you can go for actual plants, and obviously these will be ready even sooner. And even better, you can plant both, and then when you've eaten these, you'll have these growing ready to eat these too. When you are harvesting them, make sure you pick the leaves from the outside and work your way in, and then they'll continue to grow and you can keep coming back. Now, obviously growing them from seed is cheaper, but if you think you can get a pack of 6 lettuce for £2.50 from B&Q, and it's like £1 a lettuce in supermarkets, so you'll soon make your money back, and then your lettuce will be fresh every time you come to pick it. And another good one to still grow with your salad leaves is radish. These guys can be ready to harvest within like 4 weeks. And the ones that I planted just a few days ago, they've already appeared, which is absolutely crazy. One you are too late to grow from seed, sadly, is tomatoes, but fear not, you can still buy the plants. And if you buy the plants, then you're going to have little tomatoes ready soon enough. You can see this one's got flowers, and then it's actually got little tomatoes as well. So this is a great way of still growing your own tomatoes, and then you can get the experience of looking after a plant ready for when you grow your own tomatoes from seed next year. You'll know exactly what to do. So when your tomato plant is flowering and has these little tomatoes forming, you'll be able to harvest tomatoes within 6 to 8 weeks. So it's definitely worth still planting tomato plants. In the previous video, I did show you exactly how to plant tomato plants, so check that out. And then I wanted to show you these as well. For that video, I bought too many tomato plants, and these guys have been neglected over there, not getting watered very much at all. And I just wanted to show you that they've still got tomatoes forming on them. And the reason I show you that is to try and persuade you how easy it is to grow your own food. So get involved and have a go. I always say that plants, they want to grow. So if you help them a little bit, they'll do a lot of the hard work for you. Another one you're too late to grow from seed, but you can still get the plants, is peppers and chilies. Buying plants is a great way to ensure that those little peppers and chilies do ripen in time for you to enjoy them. I planted a pepper plant in the last video, and as you can see, it has little red peppers on it. Now, those little red peppers weren't there when I bought it, and it's been outside the whole time. So it just shows you that you can grow peppers outside with the amazing summers that we're having in the UK at the minute. You still have enough time to plant runner beans. These guys go crazy, and you can buy the young plants of runner beans, and they'll be ready in 6 to 8 weeks to harvest some beans from. And I'm going to show you how I plant these as well. So I have this big pot, and then all I do is get some big sticks and then put them in the pot like so. And then I plant a runner bean at the bottom of each stick, so each runner bean will start to wrap its way around these sticks that I've put in place. Now, runner beans go absolutely crazy. If you talk to anyone who's grown them before, they will tell you just how many runner beans you get per plant. So all I'm going to say is I hope you like runner beans. Now, in terms of the actual beans, all you do is make a little hole, pop it in and cover it over, and these guys will grow so fast. They will appear so fast, you'll be so shocked with how fast they appear. Sorry about the bad angle, but I want to get my potato plants in, because if you start planting seed potatoes now, you can harvest Christmas potatoes for your Christmas dinner, which would be absolutely epic. And you grow them exactly the same as we showed in a previous video. If you are okay to wait a little longer, then why not plant some leeks? If you plant leeks right now, you'll be harvesting them from October all the way through autumn and winter. So while everyone is complaining about the weather, you'll be making leek and potato soup. Another great one to still grow are herbs, and the reason these are so great is because you can buy them as plants and you can start harvesting them straight away and using them in your cooking, and they will keep growing and growing through the season. We previously showed you exactly how to grow your herbs up a vertical space to make best use of your space, so check that out and start growing your own herbs now. Whatever you decide to grow, make sure you keep it well watered, especially in the hot weather, and keep giving those fruiting crops like peppers, tomatoes and chilies a good feed at least once a week any tomato feed will do the job. And my last piece of advice is to have fun with it and grow what you and your family love to eat. When I was picking up a few of these bits, my little boy found these carrots and wanted to grow these. Now, I've never actually grown carrots, so I'm going to give these a try, and it might fail, but it might not. And it's all about having fun, and hopefully by the end of it, we'll have full bellies too. So this is your sign to stop making excuses. There's plenty of things you can still grow in this season, and there's no better time to start than today. So tell me what you're excited to still grow this year.